Hey everyone! In this tutorial, you'll learn how to solve the last layer of a 3x3 puzzle cube using only 4 algorithms. Alright, ready? Let's go! In total, there are 4 steps in this method, and for each step, you only need to learn one algorithm and use it repeatedly until the step is solved. So once you have completed your first 2 layers and ready to solve the last layer, the first step is to orient the edges to create a cross on the last layer. There are 3 cases in this step. The first one is the dot case. For this case, you can position your puzzle cube in any directions. Next is the hook case. For this case, you position your puzzle cube with the edges pointing to the top and the left sides. Last but not least, we have the line case, where you will position the line horizontally on your puzzle cube. Alright, let's start to create a cross on the last layer. For my puzzle cube, I have a dots case. So I can position my puzzle cube in any directions. Once in position, apply this algorithm. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. You probably have figured out that the move R, U, R prime, U prime in the algorithm is also known as the sexy move. So that's one way to help you easily remember this algorithm. So now, on my puzzle cube, I have a hook case. So I will position the hook with the edges pointing to the top and the left sides. Then apply the same algorithm. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Finally, I got a line case. I will position my line horizontally and apply the same algorithm one more time. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. With that, we have successfully created the yellow cross. In step 2, we'll orange the corners on the last layer and complete the top color. There are 2 cases. For the first case, if you do not have just one corner oriented, like my puzzle cube here, you can position your puzzle cube in any directions. Then apply this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Now I have the second case where just one of the top corners on my puzzle cube is oriented. To solve this case, position your oriented corner at the bottom left like so. Then apply the same algorithm again. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. With that, the top color is solved. In step 3, we will permute the corners on the last layer and complete the top corners. There are 2 cases. For the first case, you do not find any 2 corners with similar color on any side. To solve this case, you can position your puzzle cube in any directions. Then apply this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime. Now, on your puzzle cube, you should have 2 top corners with similar color on one side, or you may call it headlights. To solve this second case, position the headlights to point to the left. Then apply the same algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime. With that, all our corners on the top layer are solved. Finally, in step 4, we will permute the top edges and solve the entire puzzle cube. There are two cases for this step. For the first case, you do not have any of the sides solved. To solve this case, you can position your puzzle cube in any directions and apply this algorithm. R2, U, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime, U, R prime. Now, on your puzzle cube, you should have one side on the last layer of your puzzle cube solved. So for this second case, position the soft side at the back, like so, and apply the same algorithm again. R2, U, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime, U, R prime. With that, our puzzle cube is completely solved. We have come to the end of this tutorial. If you like this video, do consider to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.